Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I wanted to talk to you about week 6. So in week 6, we have several readings to complete, and you also have your rough draft. And so this week, I will be giving you feedback, and if you already turned in your outline, I've already given you feedback. Look for that little voice snippet. But basically, follow the outline. Your rough draft will be 3 to 5 pages. I've provided a student sample as well. Check out the rubric and start thinking about that. We will have a midterm, but it will be open book, so nothing to stress over too much. If you've done all discussion boards, you should be pretty familiar with the readings. We do ask that it be in one sitting, but there's no particular time limit. I'll talk about that as time moves on. Please know that I'm available to speak with you over the phone, or we can set up a Zoom meeting, but please don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions. And thank you so much for your hard work. I have enjoyed reading your discussion boards, and the thought that you've taken into them is very impressive. So keep up the great work. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great week. See ya.